Ó mà ṣe o, ojú towó ojú ti náírà, àfìgbà tí kú padà mú òṣèré ilẹ̀ wa Alhaji Taiwo Hassan tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Ògògó ọmọ Kúlódò lọ lójijì. Lẹ́yìn gbogbo akitiyan, àdúrà, omijé àti ìnáwó lọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀. Ikú mà padà mú àgbà òṣèré ilẹ̀ wa tí tọmọdé tàgbà nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí dáadáa yìí lọ. Àṣeyọ̀wù lọ́lọ́run ọba mi òkè lóòótọ́, ọba tí ò sí ebi lẹ́jọ́. Fún ìbànújẹ́ ńlá gbà ní ikú àgbà òṣèré yìí jẹ́ fún ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn nítorí pé Alhaji Taiwo Hassan Ogogo wà lára àwọn tó forí ṣe fọrùn ṣe fi gbogbo ara ṣe fún agbo òṣèré ilẹ̀ wa. Ó tó di pé ó débi tó dé lónìí, a ti wá gbọ́ pé irú ẹni báyìí kò jèrè iṣẹ́ ọwọ́ rẹ̀ dalẹ̀ kó tó di pé ó jẹ́ Ọlọ́run nípè. Ṣùgbọ́n kí la fẹ́ bá Ọlọ́run fà? A ò tó ẹni tó ń bi Ọlọ́run lẹ́jọ́. Àfi ká ra wọ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ s'Elédùà kó bá wa tẹ̀ sáfẹ́fẹ́ rere. Kí gbogbo ohun tó fi sílẹ̀ má dìbàjẹ́. Wọ́n rẹ́ o Alhaji Taiwo Hassan Ogogo, ó tún dárìnà kò, ó dojú àlá.
I need to call my sister. I need to call them. My family. Nobody called. My daddy is dead, sir. I don't believe them. I can't take like 5 minutes ago. I want to go home. Please, let me go home, sir. I can't. Mommy. Please. Please. I dropped to your level to don't cover me as you get to me. Sir.
What's her relation to you?
No, please she's my sister's daughter. Tell her that they should buy my ticket so that I can go home. I want to go and see my daddy before he gets buried. Please.
Can you sit down?
No, I don't want to sit down, please. I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit. I don't want to sit. Also, then you will say, only test got my friendship, but won't go. Imagine, they keep treating him of ulcer. I had ulcer when I was in GS1, and I remember when my mom used to say, Baba, I love you, Joe. My daddy does not have ulcer. All the tests that he did for my daddy, he does not have ulcer at all. So that means is that is this stuff that has been there not just since I was in GS1. No. Do you know how many years that was? I finished secondary school since how many years ago? What year are we? So like 16 years ago. So you're saying test to cover to my shape, but the moment you say because of you already know that my daddy will not in my daddy's head, it sounds like aboya 1 million koloma shebe I be 500k upward. So just okay, we outside money. They just kept treating us at some point. He stopped treating us. He said it was not us again, that it was infection. He treated infection. Come on. So you're not sure. Treating infection. Treating us. He did not even once they just touch his stomach here like this. About it you can look and be by and he feels pain there. Osani. Chronic ulcer. I feel like those kind of doctors are quack doctors. That's the detriment of somebody's father's life. Now see. That's the only person that I'm doing this life. Daddy is a good man. He's everybody's daddy. He's just in the bed. He's sick. He's so strong. I've never seen a strong man like that. He's too strong. And he's hopeful. He's very hopeful. He's not even saying that. My shoe. Oh, your Lord, I'm just praying Just pray. If I see magic now, if I see magic and miracle now, just to make my daddy live very, very long. Mama, to put my eyes down for my daddy now at this moment, I will do it. I know. If I have an issue, I go to my daddy. If I get arrested today, maybe I had issues with some people and I end up at the police station. Even if I'm right and wrong, that's my good to go person. That's the first person I'll call after calling my daddy. It's my husband. Mo is my daddy. When I'm broke, it's my daddy. When I need motivation, it's my daddy. When I need everything, I don't understand though. We are just too connected. It's too deep. It's too much. I don't know if it's normal though, but it's too much. He's a good man. He's a very, very, very good man. Nobody is perfect, but my daddy, despite having 2 wives, you cannot even know, honestly, if he never posted his wife safe between my siblings and I, people will not even know if you are from different mother. That's how Toshe people's children come to him. Yeah. People's children, people that even, oh my God, starting. I wonder how Nkwarima for Laye will be feeling now. I'm seeing his post, but I know that he's not happy. It's not. It's very sad because they're always together. Always together. No, just when my son and my daddy started getting really, grandpa. If I really see anybody that is dark skin, especially Antalani on the skin like this, grandpa. And anything, please, everybody should just be doing checkup. It's very important. This is very, very important. Don't just do abdominal scan, HIV test, hepatitis B, malaria, typhoid. No, please. If you have money, even if you don't have that money, please save up. Save money. Go and do some very important tests at the hospital. It's better to detect them early. Because if money was the issue, no, it's not a bad person like that. You will not now see. Yeah, God bless you. I gotta know. Like, they're willing to do anything, but I'm not sure that the Inca called Joseph is okay because he has been calling. If my uncle is on call with us, Inca called you, look, he will cut again. He will join back. Like most times when you're on the call, it's always Inca called you, don't pay me, my paying pada. Inca called you, don't pay me, my paying pada. He's going to. I don't want to go back to that topic because if I go back, I lose weight. As how? I should trick is to say you see me when. How did I lose weight? I lose weight. How? You're walking, talking everywhere. It's okay. I miss my son too. My mom got is not even helping matters. She called me today. Hello, Shaki. And you are Fuji ni 1:30 orule ni o de pariwo grandma, mommy, so come another type of echo. Also, if I just see any phone call like this from the house, I call by him or down, no, shall me. If I pick that call, any call from the house, no, shall me. My heart, I'll be scared.